May 13, 14, 15, UAD 3.6 Boot Camp, Chicago. Join us. If you missed the Orlando boot camp, we've got another chance for you to join us for a UAD 3.6 boot camp in Chicago, Illinois on May 13, 14, and 15. Here's the deal. On May 13, Joel Baker will be teaching Total for Mobile, Scan to Sketch. Even if you're not a mobile user, this is a really good class to get your head around a mobile workflow. How to ditch the clipboard and start using an iPad or an iPhone like I do. On day 2, I will be teaching the Appraiser's Guide to the new URAR. This is what the GSEs, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, want you and me, us appraisers, to know about UAD 3.6. That's all day on Thursday. And then on Friday, May the 15th, we're going to have a full day of software demonstrations. There's a really good chance your software provider will be there to demonstrate their UAD 3.6 software. Chance for you to get your hands on the tool, take it out for a test drive. Also, you might want to check out all the other software providers and see what they have going on. Might be time to make a switch. In addition, on Friday, we'll have both the GSEs, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, will both be there to answer questions from us appraisers in real time about what UAD 3.6 really means. So we had an amazing time in Orlando. We're looking forward to another amazing time in Chicago. If you missed Orlando, join us in Chicago, May 13, 14, and 15. I hope to see you there.